back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Randy Taylor, Jerry Dillo, Michael Deskins, Keith Griffiths, Kalen Parks, Chuck Kinzer, Joey Diller, Dustin Dow, Jacob Thomas, and in that number 53, Dylan Cox. It will be green flag racing coming out of turn number 4. Race fans, you know what to do. Let's hoot and holler and let's scream and shout and let's make some noise for these super streets as they come by. Cheer on your favorite driver. Oh, Deskin sideways, turn number 2. That will bring out the caution. All right, we'll try green flag racing again with another new one up front beside Taylor. The number 94 will fire first. All right, let's try green flag racing again, coming out of turn number 4. All right, the 88 did get a flat from that bump going into the wall there. And the number 40 of Keith Griffith will take the number 2 spot. 94, Randy Taylor up in the front. Jerry Dillo in the 8th. In the 3rd, going up. Trying to take the number 2 spot from Keith. Keith holds it coming up. Now the question is, can Deskins run down Taylor? Will be 2 to go this time around for your race leader. The double popsicle sticks are out. And the white flag will come out for your race leader. 1 lap to go. Who's it going to be? Randy Taylor coming down the back stretch. His last dive into turn 3, coming out of 4. Coming down the front stretch, he'll take the checkered flag. And it will go to 94, Randy Taylor. The number 2 spot of Michael Deskins, with Jerry Dillo in the number 8, bringing up the number 3 spot. Our top 3 drivers will come to the front stretch for the driver's interview.
Well, like you said, great job. I do have an announcement to make here tonight, as a great job here for Randy Taylor getting it done here tonight for the Asherbach Super Streets. As Lacey Size has actually sent me a message up here. Zach's little sister had tickets to raffle off for her shirt for her softball team. And if you have purchased a ticket from the Size trailer, it's a white ticket, 11963-005. I say again, it's a white ticket, 119.
Well, Randy, again, you did a good job, and it's still fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah, still fun, sure is. Got to thank the Lord for allowing me to do this. Got to thank these guys for helping me here. Isaiah, this thing just about every day, and they help out a bunch. Appreciate them. Appreciate those fans up there for coming out. We got to thank some sponsors here: Gibson's Service, Mike's Electric, Trivic Septic Service, Virginia Drive Line, R&B General Motors, and John Cornelius Real Estate, Mike Howe Race Cars. And if I left out anybody, I'm sorry, but I appreciate everybody. Thank you.
Oh, well, look here. Well, you had a good time. Boy, y'all had a good race. It was good to see you.
Yeah, we had a good race. Don't know what y'all looking at on the restarts, but it looked good to me. But I thank God for a safe race and all it does for me and all the sponsors. And come back finish second. I can't complain. Thank the good Lord.
Well, Michael, how many years have you been racing here?
Since 2002.
2002. Well, I can't count like that, but I'll go home and do it. Thank you. Good night. Good job.
Thank you. I would like to thank Small Tail Glass, CBR Racing Engine, Shoots Transport, Bob Performance Carburetor, Mike Cal, Tommy Thomas, the dumbest damn race director I've seen in my life. He doesn't know what in the hell is going on. 2 different cars and you're still going to blame it.
All right.
All right, race fans, that was your Ashenbach Super Street right here at Wythe Raceway. Congratulations again to the 94 of Randy Taylor for bringing home a checkered flag.
Well, I guess we're taking somebody back to West Virginia here, Tim, and you know what time it is? It's show time here for the 7th annual Crystal Cup.